guys, today we'll be testing out seeds in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and I think it works in Java Edition. But if it doesn't, if some of these don't work, please don't get mad at me. But this is a pretty cool seed. It has mountains on a snowy biome inside of caves and stuff. I think that's kind of cool. Okay. This is actually cool. It's like a plains biome mixed with a snow biome. It has so many houses. And this house is literally by iron and stuff. Right in the cave. But look at this one. Man, now I'm thinking about living in this house. This is crazy. Like, it's all decorated and everything. How is that possible? A house in a cave? Okay, it's time to go to the next seed. Okay, it's time for seed. I don't know. I put it up on the screen, but this seed has a whole island all surrounded by water. This seed is super cool. It has like snow and stuff. Bro, it's a plains biome. But last time I checked, the person who sent me this seed said it would be a spruce biome in the middle. Okay, this is the next seed. You should know because it should be right at the bottom. But this seed has a whole mountain surrounding the water. It's I think it's pretty cool. And it has some sort of platform on it. Looks like a platform that's been sinking. That is pretty amazing. Wow, this is just cool. But we can't stay here for long. So, time for the next seed. I don't believe my eyes, because once I pulled up this seed, I saw a village mixed up with a wilder mansion. And last time I checked, pillagers don't like villagers. But you gotta admit, it's a pretty good view out here. This is cool, for real. Okay, this actually might be my favorite seed. Actually, literally. I might stay here for a little bit, so I'm about to probably fast forward time for a little bit. Oh, this seed is actually crazy. This is a crazy seed. This seed has a village isolated from another village. I'm about to show y'all. Watch. This seed reminded me of the movie Avatar: The Last Airbender. It's a whole island with a village on it. That's something I never see in a daily Minecraft life. But, this is crazy, for real. It has a whole ruined portal of 3-house village. It's like people are just living peaceful on an island. It's so cool. And also, there might be a stronghold somewhere here since there's bricks. Because why else would there be bricks? I guess there's not. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Well, as usual, guys, we gotta wrap this up. I'm so sorry. But we'll see you next time in Game Like Ayden. Like and subscribe to my video. And you'll have good luck forever and ever and ever.